Hi guys, this is Rupal Ahmed. Welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress into your cPanel. So let's get started. To install WordPress in your cPanel, first of all, you have to log into your cPanel. Then click on File Manager and then click on Public HTML. And you can see there is a folder named Demos. I'm going to install WordPress into this folder. Click on it, Upload. And now we have to upload here WordPress core file. Just download WordPress core file from wordpress.org. I am not going to download now because I have already downloaded. Just drag this and drop it here. It's going to take some time, so we have to wait a bit. Yeah, it's already uploaded. Yeah, close this. Now we have to extract this file. Extract. Reload. Now I'm going to delete this. Double click this, select all, and move on to the root folder because we want to install WordPress into demos folder. Now this one also delete. Yeah. Now let's learn.me is my main domain and demos is my folder. Continue. Let's go. And now we have to make a database. So to make a database, we have to go to cPanel and click on MySQL database. We shall make our database here. Test install. My database name is test install. Go back. Now we have to make a MySQL user. Test install. Copy. I have copied this. Use password. Create user. Go back. Now we have to add user with database. User and database, same name. Add this. And now click on all privileges. Then make change. Now I will paste the password which I copied. Now copy the username and paste it here. Then copy the database and also paste it here. And I'm not going to change database host. Table prefix test. You can give any kind of name for the table prefix. Confirm user with password, mail, and discourage search engine from indexing because I don't need to index this website into Google. Install WordPress, login, yeah. This is the way how you can install WordPress into your cPanel. I hope you have understood how to install WordPress into your cPanel. Yeah, this is default theme of WordPress. We just installed now. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.